2022 Ford Maverick. Complaint, grinding noise coming from underneath body of vehicle. Customer believes it could possibly be a wheel bearing. There's a technical service bulletin associated with this. Possibly mispositioned gasoline tank scrap. Making contact with the heat shield. We're gonna get it in the air and check it out. Ford Maverick on the lift. We got a driveline noise at full steering lock. I got the carrier bearing mounted from the body of the vehicle. I got a lot of movement. In the rubber surrounding the bearing. There's not a lot of play in the bearing, but there's just a lot of flexing going on here. See that right there? A lot of flexing. Basically, when you turn the steering wheel to full lock, you get a grinding noise that comes from this area of the vehicle. And I believe it's associated with this drive shaft here. Everything else seems to be pretty tight. This vehicle only has 56,000 miles on it. There was a TSB to address this heat shield here. However, there were some marks right here, but they don't look like there are any indicator marks of any contact. So I don't believe that is the case. But I do believe the drive shaft is part of the noise and the concern that the customer is having. I'm just not comfortable with this amount of movement. This vehicle has been driven, but it only being a year old with 56,000 miles on it. So things are starting to be aged. And they are going to be coming up on being worn. But yeah, just wanted to touch bases with you guys, and keep in mind we are doing a car giveaway when we reach 1,000 subscribers, so do keep that in mind. Thank you for subscribing, like, share, and comment, and especially if you have any information on these newer vehicles with this noise. And I don't think this is normal right here. I do not think this is normal. It's too much play. Even though the bearing in there is pretty much fixed and not moving, but still way too much movement here for this to be secure. And movement makes noise. All right, we got the 2022 Maverick, all-wheel drive vehicle. Got the drive shaft, propeller shaft are being removed. We're gonna disconnect it at the rear transfer case and see if we can get the entire drive shaft off without interfering with the exhaust. There's a binding sound going on in the drive line when the steering wheel is at full lock, and we believe we're catching it here with a weak propeller shaft. This vehicle has 56,000 miles on it in just 1 year. We're gonna take care of it today. Here's the new drive shaft. Be real delicate with this. Okay, you're gonna remove the Torx bolts from out of the rear end. This is a little seized up a little bit. It's gonna take a little jarring motion to get it to come out. Keep in mind it is gonna be locked tight on these fasteners, and they are going to be stubborn. So you're gonna take a little bit of elbow grease to get them out of there. I'll hand loosen them and use the little battery power to get them out, to be honest with you. But make sure you do hand loosen them before you get any electrical assistance going on. The carrier's held in place with 2 nuts going there and there. On the 2022 Maverick, there is a perforated area for you to pry the drive shaft out of the rear end. It's right there, so you may have to rotate it. And when you put this vehicle in neutral, keep in mind it does have an electronic parking brake. So every time you open the door, it's gonna go back into park. So you're gonna have to put the vehicle in gear, basically in neutral, without opening the driver door. All right, you will need to take down the exhaust. You just lowered the rear 2 hangers to get the drive shaft out. Now this drive shaft here is the old one, and this one here is the new one here. Now you can honestly see a whole lot of play in this one. Look at this. This is the carrier right here, okay? Now this one I'm gonna pull up the same manner, but you'll see it's not as freely moving. These joints right here seem extremely dried out. So what we're gonna do is install it and see if we still get that binding motion, which I believe is gonna be gone, because I do believe it's associated with this drive shaft that has 60,000 miles put on it in 1 year. Okay, now keep in mind, this is a shaft that is balanced. So you have a weight here, that weight goes here. You'll see a stubble here, a little mark there, a little mark here. That coincides with that. A little paint mark here, coincides with the paint on the inside of this hub here. All right. Thank you for joining me on my process through my diagnostics. I'd like to take a moment to address some things that are important. In this particular case, I miscalculated the issue. I would like to thank you for your patience as we got through this together. Up front, I made sure to communicate with the customer that diagnostics can sometimes be hit or missed. It's a part of the learning curve, and transparency is the key. We are all here to learn and grow together and improve. I'd like to thank the customer for their understanding. Through these experiences that we can all enhance our skills and provide better services. Every setback is an opportunity for a greater comeback. Thank you for watching. I look forward to sharing more insights and experiences with you guys. Remember, if you got your phone, go to YouTube, like, share, and subscribe. Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Thank you.